So here I am, my coffee ready. Iced coffee. It's like raining outside. It's raining outside, and I'm over here drinking iced coffee. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a requested video. Can you tell what it was? A graduation makeup tutorial. And shout out to Rayann. I'll link her down below. Thank you for requesting, thank you for commenting, thank you for liking. I really appreciate it. So Rayann, this is for you. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope this tutorial helps you. And please give this video a like and let's get started. So Throwback Thursday, well, today's Wednesday, but throwback to 2017. That's when I graduated high school. This is my graduation cap and gown and my ring. Here is my ring. I'm going to show you guys my high school ring. This is what it looks like. Has my name, my birthstone, the year I graduated. My mascot is a red cat, as well as an FFA emblem and Valor where I'm from. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave any other requests you may have down below. I'll be more than happy to make them happen. And please, again, give this video a like and let's get started. So here I am, my coffee ready. Iced coffee. It's like raining outside. It's raining outside, and I'm over here drinking iced coffee. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is apply a mask. This is the Glam Glow Glitter Mask Gravity Mud. So yeah, and this is the limited edition My Little Pony. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Cool, huh? I love it. So anyway, okay, let's go ahead and get started by putting the mask on. So I only have a hand mirror for now, so that's what we'll use. Okay, mask is now on. I'm gonna start with eyes. The camera, I apologize for the camera, but I'm gonna start by eyes, my eyeshadow. So the first thing I'm gonna use is the Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. Oh my gosh, Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. This is from Wet n Wild. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with my finger, or just put it on my eye. Not the best way to do it, but the easiest. There is so much controversy whether to set your eye or to apply shadow and start blending. So I'm just going to stick with what I know, and that's set it. So I'm actually going to just set it with my powder. I left my eye brushes over there. I'll be right back. I need to set it before it creases. Okay. So for my eyeshadow today, this video was requested for a graduation makeup tutorial. Look, or when you're graduating, what makeup would you wear? You know what I mean. So I'm actually going to take my 15B Brunch Babe from Morphe. I received this in my last Foxy Luxe. So let's go ahead and try it out. I used one Morphe palette years ago, so I really don't remember like how it would feel to use it, or the shadows or anything. So let's find out. So here's the palette. Here are the shadows. And this is called Brunch Babe 15B. So since my eyes are already set, I'm going to take my Luxie 229 Tempered Blending, and we're going to take, what's it say? Baguettes? I'm sorry, I don't know what that says. That one right there. And put that all over the crease. Okay, Okay, now with a different brush, a fat brush, I'm going to blend it into the crease, or blend it out. And now taking Resso, this shade here, I'm going to put that in the crease as well. Blend that up just a little bit, whatever is extra, so it doesn't look so bare on the top. Just a little bit more Resso. Do you notice how it's slightly darker here? I'm enjoying that a lot. That's what I'm trying to go for. So with a smaller brush, I can find a good one. Take this one, I guess. I'm going to use, let's go with Tots and see what color shows up. And put that right there in that corner. And then bring what's left over on the inside, towards the inside. Okay, a little bit more Tots. Now I'm going to take, let's see, let's try this on Patio. That one there, Patio. Put that right in the crease. Right out here. And drag it inward. Want it to be super dark outside. And then back, blend everything out. Okay. And now, should we go darker? Just, what do you think? A little bit more of Patio then. Just a little bit more. Very smoky, I like that. Now let's pick a inner lid shade. Let me see. What is this? Those are too light. I want something darker. Guess we're gonna go with Excellent. This one, right on the lid. Let's try Excellent. This is without spray. Any Fix Plus or anything? Okay, let me get some spray. Just take my, oops, got it. So I'm just gonna spray my brush and then dip back into Excellent. It's like, what side did I spray? There we go. I was like, much better. I understand this is more like a traditional smoky eye. But personally, I would rather go with something like this. Not too crazy, not too color wise, not too crazy. And this, you know, it's much easier, much better, I personally think. Okay, and now we just need a little bit of liner and we're good to go. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, sorry if the camera angle is not perfect. So my eyes are done. Personally, with this palette, if I'm gonna be honest, I feel like I had trouble blending it, and it's just really dusty and powdery. I'm gonna keep using it, but as you can tell, this side is a lot more rough edged wise than this one, so I don't know what's up with that. But now that my mask is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. So let me see. Yeah, it's dry. Okay. 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 Well, for the most part, dry. Oh, that feels good. It's so itchy on my nose. I was like, I'm itchy and I can't scratch. Okay. So don't worry, I'm obviously a little red. That's okay, that happens. It happens every time. Okay. That was good to scratch my nose. Okay, so now what I like to do to make sure everything's gone is use my toner. This is optional for you guys if you're not even using a mask, don't worry about it. But since I was, I'm gonna just take everything off with some toner and clean my skin. Okay. Okay. So don't worry about the redness. The redness will go away. So my lips are really chapped, so I'm gonna put some lip balm real quick. Okay. So now that my face is almost ready for foundation, I'm gonna mix my foundations right now. So what I like to do is take my Super Stay. That was crazy. Take my Super Stay in the shade 120 Classic Ivory and my sorry, it's a messy Dewy Plus Smooth in 120, and it's a Fit Me one, but mix these two together so I get full coverage all day and a dewy finish. So I'm gonna mix that off camera and prep my face real quick. So I'll be right back. Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna use my Versali Rose Gold Elixir. This is what it looks like. Let me get it. Let me shake it real quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I just put oops, I got it on my shirt. Just put that all over. I'll get that with a Q-tip. So because my skin is really dry, this will help me not be so dry. Let me get these little black residue from the mask off. Wow, they're like stuck on there. Okay, there we go. Doing this much today. Okay, so that's done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundations that are my combo, or my magic potion if you want to say. Okay, so let's put that aside. And I'm going to use my Luxie 532 Round Top Blender. So that's one coat. Let's do one application. Let's do one more. Yeah, I understand the redness is still there, but it'll go away soon. Okay, so that's one application. One side done. So I'll be right back with the other side. So now I'm going to highlight and contour using my favorite Wet n Wild contour stick. This is my favorite so far. Contouring wise, cream, favorite. But before I do that, let me just set everything in place. When you're too lazy to get up and wet it, yeah. Just make sure everything's set, please. So contour, here we go. Trust me, I've never used the Fit Me concealer. I use the Age Rewind. It works really well, but that one's light. This one is fair. That one's 15. This one is 10. And I was kind of worried like it was too light, but oh my gosh, the lighter you go, the better it looks. No, I'm kidding. But this looks amazing. Watch, you'll see right now the transformation. Like, I was so shocked. Like, wow, where was this my whole life? And it's so cheap too. It's cheaper than the other one. So, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to set everything with my powder. Okay. Tap off access and set everything. I usually use a beauty blender, which I don't know why I used this today. Silly me. Bronze my face with my lip bronzer. And the original. Okay, and then I'm gonna use blush. For blush, I'm taking my Laura Geller Baked Blush. Laura Geller. And my little secret touch I like to do is apply this. This is a Zoella X Colourpop pressed powder and Swipe Right. It's a highlighter. It looks gold, but when you swatch it, it turns pink. So I like to put that on the apples of my cheeks to give me a glow. Finish my bottom eyeshadow, mascara, and I'll be back to do brows. Okay guys, so I just realized while I'm editing my video, the last part was recorded under time lapse, so it went by really quickly and slowed down, so therefore you guys can't see that part or understand what I did. So what it was is I did my brows using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown and my clear top coat on top, the gel on top. And for eyeshadow I used Baggett's, that one I don't know, and Resso. So I used those two on the bottom. Mascara was my Too Faced Buzz and Sex, love it. And what else did I do? Lipstick, I wish, did you guys see it? Well, lipstick, I used my Wet n Wild lip liner in Red the Scene and my Becca lipstick in Crimson. And then I set everything with my Morphe setting spray, and highlight was my Wet n Wild highlighter. So I hope that helps. I apologize that you guys couldn't see the last steps of my makeup tutorial, but I hope it's okay and it's not that big of a problem. So if you found this video helpful and enjoyable, please give me a like. If you're new, please subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!